Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a nanny recommendation letter. What is a nanny recommendation letter? A nanny reference letter is a formal document that highlights a candidate's relevant skills, experience, qualifications, and credentials. The purpose of this letter is to recommend someone for a childcare position. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a nanny recommendation letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write the date of the letter. You can use the format of month, date, and year. After that, you can write the information about the recipients or just skip it since you don't know to whom the nanny would send. So, you can just directly open the letter with a salutation. You can write to whom it may concern, or dear sir or madam, or other formal salutation, and write the first paragraph. Here, you can tell the reason why you are writing this letter. You may write that you want to recommend your current nanny, and mention the full name of the nanny. Write also how long the nanny has been working with you. You can also write the nickname like AE, to show how close your family with this nanny. And tell brief story of how you met the nanny. In this example, the writer met the nanny from friends she was previously working with. And you can write the reason why the nanny stopped working with you. In this example is because the writer is about to leave the country and move to another state. And you write this letter because you want the nanny to find a family she would love to work with. In this case, you must show the recipient how much your family love this nanny. In the second paragraph, write the details about your kids and the nanny. You can say that you as parents working. And you count on the nanny to take care of your kids. Here, it is highly recommended to mention the gender of your kids. And mention how old they are. After that, describe how the nanny love your son or daughter. You can tell more details like how the nanny loves to care for them, talk to them, play games with them, and so on. You should convince the recipient that the nanny you recommend really loves to interact with children every day. In the third paragraph, show the recipient how the nanny becomes a special member of your family. Of course, tell the recipient you all love her. After that, describe her positive personality. You can say that the nanny is generous and full of discretion. Since you moved to the other country, you may have asked the nanny to come with you. You must write it here. And tell the reason why the nanny cannot come along with your family. In this case, the nanny's mother is old and need her around. And she is attached to her own family. Therefore, the nanny cannot leave United States and move to Canada with your family. You must clearly tell the reason why the nanny can no longer work with your family, so the recipient would understand the situation. And the fourth paragraph, write the plus points of the nanny. The points here must be unique, that not all babysitters can do this. For example, is taking care of the house. You can mention that the nanny is good in cooking, and mention what food she can cook, like Asians, Westerns, and so on. And tell more about her personality that impress you. You can mention that the babysitter is cheerful, resourceful, reliable, and so on. This criteria is the most wanted ones by most family. Since you love the nanny, that's why you want to help her to find a good family she can work with. You must include this one too. By showing your support for the nanny itself already told the recipient that the nanny is awesome. You just need to be honest here. And write your hope about the future family and nanny to continue the joys you have been experiencing so far. And you can close the letter by offering to give more details. Add your signature and write your full name. And don't forget to provide your personal contact information. You can give your phone number, email address, or other contact information. So, that's how you write a reference letter for a nanny or babysitter. I hope you find a new awesome nanny as you expected. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.